principles in life. And being the age that I am, I have quite a few at this point. One of them is to pay kindness forward, and I think it's something that we all imbibe being in this kind of organization. So I'm very proud that that principle is something I share with each and every one of you. And whenever we meet, whenever we do our projects, whenever we attend community service activities of other clubs, so we practice that principle. And another principle that I try to live with and practice is that whatever it is, however difficult something is, as long as you can find the humor in it, you can survive it. I think all of you, most of you are aware of what I went through with my family when my father got sick, and without the ability to look at that situation and see the lightness in it, see the light at the end of the tunnel, I don't think I would have made it unscathed as I did. So and one other thing that I live by, one other principle I live by, and I hope that you will also be able to develop this in yourself, is those who matter, is thinking that those who matter don't mind, and those who mind don't matter. You are not going to be able to please everyone around you, so you just have to do a sense check every now and then. Who should I be listening to? Whose criticism should I be taking account for? Because not everybody will be saying good things about you. It's a reality of life, but you have to be aware that not all of it is true, not all of it will be beneficial to you. So you have to be able to pick and choose what is a valuable input